Yeah, I think you can definitely make a case that ever since the time of Newton, data has been centric to all aspects of science and engineering. But I think what we have now, over compared to maybe even 20, 30 years ago, is that we have a very large amount of data, a lot of computing power, and new algorithms in computational science that help us formalize the ingestion of data and make it an integral part of science. So I think it's the volume and variety of data and the computational infrastructure that's making the difference. Like all aspects of engineering, to name a few, I would say autonomous driving is one that comes to the public mention. Predictive maintenance, if you have these very large valuable assets like aircraft engines, how do we automatically determine when to run a maintenance on them, right? Predictive maintenance and discovery of new materials. So those are some of the new areas. I don't think data-centric engineering has a home per se, right? Because right now you have the traditional prestigious journals that publish science of a certain kind, right? So I don't think there are any data-specific journals, although some are cropping up, but not for data-centric engineering. So I think there's definitely a place for that. As I just said, I mean, all aspects of engineering are being ingested into this new data-driven world, right? So I think any branch of engineering where there is a need for better predictive models, I think that would be, number one on the list. I think this would be almost the perfect place to start. I would say that would be the first reason to actually start this journal, to make everything available online and as supplemental material and leverage all these resources. So I hope that's part of the plans that you have.